Hey there, future parents! Congratulations! You've entered the second trimester at week 14, where your little one measures roughly the size of a ripe peach, about 3.5 inches long and weighing close to 1.5 ounces. On the Parent Hub in 2026, we're diving into these amazing developments with the latest prenatal insights and tech trends. Think of it, those essential internal organs built in the first trimester, they're advancing steadily, refining every system to equip your baby for the outside world. It's like evolution's smart engineering at work. Visualize your baby at this stage. Eyelids sealed tight for safety, yet they're picking up on strong lights beaming through your abdomen. Try holding a soft light near your belly. They could react with a wiggle. Plus, the small ear bones are solidifying and operational, capturing faint noises from your surroundings. Your laughter, household chatter, or soothing tunes, they're all registering. Begin whispering sweet nothings, humming melodies, or sharing tales. It's more than fun, it fosters recognition. Recent 2026 research confirms newborns respond quicker to known voices, so let yours become their familiar melody. At week 14, the brain takes charge, directing all muscle actions. Expect spins, rolls, and playful tumbles in the amniotic space. Arms are extending to meet at the midsection or touch the scalp, where miniature nails are forming. Facial twitches emerge early, like tiny smirks or stretches visible on scans ahead. By week 15, your miracle is plum-sized, around 4 inches from crown to rump at about 2.5 ounces. Subtle fat deposits are layering up beneath the delicate skin, shifting from a slender frame to a fuller infant-like contour. The soft lanugo fuzz on their body acts as a thermal blanket, mostly vanishing pre-delivery. Reaching week 16, exciting times. Your baby spans 4.5 to 5 inches, weighing 3 to 4 ounces, akin to a fresh pear. Movements evolve from random jerks to purposeful ones, thanks to a maturing nervous system. Think gripping fingers or thumb nibbling for self-soothing. Those flutters might not register yet. Quickening often hits weeks 16 to 20 for new moms, but soon it'll mimic gentle bubbles rising inside. Fun detail, the waxy vernix layer enveloping their skin serves as a barrier cream, warding off chapping from constant fluid immersion. Picture how dry and cracked your hands get after hours in soapy water. Vernix prevents that entirely. With fat building, the skin transitions from sheer to more solid and pinkish. Eyebrows, lashes, and head hair are budding thicker. Hiccups have occurred earlier, but now you can notice them as soft, repeating bumps. Totally harmless. It's rehearsal for post-birth respiration. Internally, the heart circulates 25 quarts of blood each day. Kidneys filter urine into the fluid, and lungs produce surfactant for breathing ease. For girls, ovaries contain egg reserves. Boys see prostate development. In 2026, enhanced ultrasound AI makes anatomy scans sharper. Discuss timing with your provider. Sensory progress is fascinating. Midway through, tongue buds detect amniotic tastes influenced by your meals. Zesty herbs or fruity snacks give them a sneak peek. Aromas connect similarly via diet. Stick to prenatals. Omega-3s and calcium fuel neural growth and bone health. For you, expanding ligaments might cause brief aches on your abdomen sides, common as space grows. Second trimester vitality often peaks. Channel it into gentle swims or stretches for better blood flow. Partners, step up. Contribute by voicing affirmations to the belly. 2026 studies link co-parent sounds to stronger attachments. Palm the bump during calm moments to sense activity. Diet tip: add 300 nutrient-packed calories daily from berries, yogurt, and whole grains. Stay hydrated, fluid volume relies on it. Modern apps in 2026 offer VR baby growth simulations for interactive family shares. Awesome for bonding. Advancing to week 17, your baby reaches apple-sized, about 5 inches and 5 ounces. Strengthened muscles enable fluid motions like kicking or flexing. Bones harden from soft tissue drawing on your dairy intake. The placenta handles nutrient exchange and cleanup efficiently. Feel any mild tightenings? Braxton Hicks are just warm-ups. Track, but don't worry. In summary, this trimester bursts with wonders and budding traits via those lively motions. At the Parent Hub, we're here to guide with fresh advice, community shares, and 2026 wellness trends. Hit subscribe for ongoing support and consult your healthcare team on tests or questions. You're nurturing something extraordinary. Embrace the journey.